Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Vadas, here to take you through today's trading action. Most stocks are reversing yesterday's losses to close the session higher. The S&P leading trading action with as much as 0.4% of a gain, while the Nasdaq and the Dow each tacked on 0.25%. The Russell was the lone laggard, down 0.4%. Utilities are leading the S&P sector, rallying 1.25%. Tech also seeing strong gains, up 1%. Communications and consumer discretionary were the big laggards, down each about 0.5%. A bleak spot in the market coming from Boeing after one of its Air India 787 planes en route for London crashed in India. It carried 242 passengers and crew, most of whom are presumed dead. The tragedy coming a month after Boeing reached a deal with the Justice Department to avoid criminal responsibility in a pair of crashes from 2018 and 2019. Boeing traded about 10% lower in the pre-market before rebounding off those lows. On to positive headlines. Oracle rallying 13% and hitting a new all-time high after flexing strength in cloud revenue. It saw 14% year-over-year cloud revenue growth during the previous quarter, but its guidance was the highlight, projecting 40% cloud and 70% cloud infrastructure growth for fiscal 2026. Analysts across the board raising price targets on the stock, with some calling out its strong positioning to capitalize on cloud and AI trends. Microsoft hitting all-time highs yet again. The company has now rallied more than 35% off the April lows. This latest run higher may stem from a Business Insider report, which says the company will roll out its AI co-pilot tool for the Pentagon by the summer. The deal would be huge for Microsoft, as the Pentagon employs nearly 3 million people. On the IPO scene, Chime debuted at $43 per share on public markets today. That opening price was well above the $27 mark set for the highly anticipated IPO, before closing at $37 by the end of the session. No big earnings tomorrow, but we will get the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Report. For now, that'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Vadas. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.